Be honest. How many times have you used one of those apps that gets deliveries to your doorstep under 10 minutes? Now ask yourself, did you really need it that fast? Or did the app make you feel the need before you even thought of it? That's the shift. Products today don't just solve problems, they predict them. And here's the brutal truth: the most dangerous thing in product design isn't bad design, it's static design. Because in this AI powered world, if your product isn't adapting, learning, anticipating, it's already getting replaced by something better. And the demand for AI ready product designers, it's exploding. So let me ask you, do you want to keep designing products that users forget after one try? Or do you want to design products that feel alive, that evolve with the user? That's exactly why IIT Madras Pravartak has built the Advanced Certificate in AI powered product design and management. This isn't just another course, it's the IIT level education taught by IIT Madras faculty, the same experts shaping the future of AI and design in India. Here's how your journey unfolds. You'll begin with a bridge course that gets everyone, whether you're a fresher, designer, or product professional, AI ready. Then comes AI Clinic, your hands-on lab. Here, you will work on real-world challenges like building predictive order flows for food delivery or designing healthcare products that adapt to patient behavior. You will master adaptive UX, Gen AI-driven prototyping, agentic workflows, and ethical design. And here's why this stands out. You will be taught by IIT Madras faculty, guided by industry mentors, and supported by the Future Ends Leadership Council, CXOs and leaders from global companies like Google, Amazon, Nykaa, Rakuten, who have built products used by millions. Plus, with the Breakfast Club, you are joining a lifelong community. Weekly huddles, networking, mentorship, it's support that keeps you growing. And let's be clear, the industry isn't looking for just traditional product designers anymore. It's hunting for AI-ready product designers and managers who can create experiences that adapt, evolve, and scale. That's why these roles are already paying up to 40% more than traditional design jobs. By graduation, you will have a portfolio of AI-powered projects and mentors to back your skills. So the real question is, do you want to build static products that fade into irrelevance, or the kind of products people can't imagine living without because they evolve with them? The future isn't waiting, and neither should you. Admissions are open. Apply now.